Are you looking for a modern home in a guard-gated community located in a highly sought-after Las Vegas neighborhood with privacy and a layout that provides endless opportunities? Well, then allow me to introduce you to 10741 Steel Ridge Court in the award-winning master plan community of Summerlin in Mesa Ridge. Let's go check out all this 4,688 square foot masterpiece has to offer. If you're looking for more information on this truly unique home or are looking to buy or sell in the Las Vegas Valley, give me a call, text, or email. I would love to discuss your specific real estate goals with you further. Thank you for watching.